Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you my newest Nike shoes, which are the Nike Pegasus Premium. They just came out like 1 week ago and they are almost sold out, so you have to be quick. I've gotten them in my size, which is size 38. And I'm gonna do a try on with you today, so later on I will try them on, but first I want to show you the shoe. So the shoe comes in the typical Nike orange box, which is super cool. Also, the shoe is with this beautiful neon orange on the sole. So you see here, you have such a beautiful walking shoe, guys. This is gonna be one of my most favorite Nike shoe because it's so comfortable and walking in them feels like walking on a cloud. I will show you the shoe from every side and also from the behind. Also, you see that this is not a typical white color on the shoe, but it's a little bit like off-white, grayish. I think it's really cool. And typical white color would have also been nice, but I think like this, it gives the shoe a little bit of like pep. I think this is really cool. Also, you see here the Nike logo. Also, it's not like in the typical black color, but also a little bit shiny, dark gray. Like all around this shoe, guys, is such an eye catcher. I really love it. I am in love with this one, and I will definitely try to get some in some other colors. Also, what I really like about this shoe is this beautiful neon orange sole, or like line on the sole. I think it's so special. Also, for this shoe, I have to say that the sole, all in all, is like so soft and so comfy. Like, this is a typical walking shoe, guys. As for the price, I paid 210 euros for it, which is not very few for the Nike shoes, but I think it's a very quality one, and with this shoe you cannot do anything wrong. Also, what I like is this beautiful neon orange here on the lap. I will try to show this to you. There is written like Pegasus on it. All in all, this shoe, guys, is an eye catcher. I am really in love with it. And also, this shoe is so light. I mean, this, I don't have any shoe which is lighter than this one. I think you can just slip in and walk. This is a bombastic shoe, guys. I would recommend it to everyone. I think it's like also for women and men, but I think that for like mommies or some people who really like walk a lot, this shoe is a game changer, guys. So really like buy this shoe if you want to have a comfy walk. Also, the laces, I have to say, are made so nicely. I mean, they have combined the colors in it. You have the orange ends here, and then the gray and the off-white on the laces. Like, all in all, guys, this shoe is one of my favorite right now, as of the design and also the comfy level. It's like 100 out of 100. 10 out of 10. This is the shoe, guys. So I will show you also the sole, which is very nice. You have also again this beautiful neon orange color on it. It's made so elegant. I mean, this shoe is really great, guys. Just take a look, and now I will try them on for you. So guys, now I'm showing you the shoe from the front. So this is the front of the shoe, which I think it's also like a little bit shiny. Also, the Nike logo on the front is like a little bit shiny. And this is the side view. So I am really in love with the side view, guys, because of the neon line on the sole. I think it's such an eye catcher. Also, the other one, I mean, just look at it. It looks so sporty and it is so comfy. Like the sole, I am in love with it. Also, here on the behind, you see the neon line, and also the sole is very thick. I will also show it to you, the all in all sole with the Nike logo on it. I mean, all in all guys, this shoe is so pretty. I fell in love with it, and also it gives you like so much like comfort and stability in your feet. I really recommend this shoe, guys. So guys, this was my video about my newest Nike shoes. I am in love with them, and if you like them as much as I do, please like my video, comment it, and subscribe to my channel.